Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. You're watching Spicy Food Cook. So today I'm going to share a wonderful diet recipe, paleo masala dosa. I think this would be a little great to your taste bud. Before we enter into this video, you should add 1 teaspoon of interest and 2 teaspoon of involvement. So all together, let's get started. For this, I'm taking 2 eggs. Adila white and yellow separate பண்ணிக்கலாம். அது கூட 1 or 2 teaspoon coconut powder add பண்ணனும். Coconut powder இல்லனா grated coconut நல்லா roast பண்ணி அத fine powder அரைச்சி அத add பண்ணிக்கலாம். White மட்டும் ஜார்ல போட்டுக்கலாம். நல்லா mix பண்ணனும். It should be in a better consistency. If you need, you can add 1 more spoon of coconut powder. Next, we'll move to the masala preparation. இதுக்கு ஒரு கடாயில 1 to 2 teaspoon coconut oil, அது கூட ஒரு chop பண்ண onion சேர்க்கணும். Then salt well. Then tomato சேர்த்து நல்லா வதக்கணும். வதங்கினதும் I'm adding 1 handful of spinach. Then half teaspoon of chili powder, salt as you need. Then finally add the yellow yolk and mix it well. மசாலா முடிஞ்சது. Preheat the tawa. Pour the batter. Spread it like dosa. Finally, add the masala as a topping to the dosa. You can roll or you can fold the dosa. So everything is done. Paleo masala dosa is ready. Serve with chutney or pickle. Thumbs up if you like this video. See you on next video. Until, stay tuned, stay safe, stay home and stay healthy. Keep watching Spicy Food Cook. Bye bye.